Good day everyone. I'm Gino Loremia and today I will be presenting our project, the PBS BISO Admin Dashboard. This is an integrated system designed for Bohol Island State University to streamline the management of your production, business, and auxiliary service. Let's start with our sign-in page. For this demonstration, we will be using an admin account to access all the advanced features of the dashboard. Once we see the dashboard overview. It provides a real-time summary of our operation, including a sales overview chart for monthly revenue and an inventory levels chart for our case product. We also have alert for low stock items for proactive restocking. In the inventory module, we monitor our stock level in real time. These items are automatically reflected in our catalog where customer and staff can place orders. Now, the order module tracks all transaction for credit purchase. We have a specialized credit module. This allows us to record customer debts, track total owned, and manage payment efficiently. Then, to keep our data organized, we have school year management. This works together with our cut-off periods modules where we manage sale accounting seasons and finalize them for reporting. Next is the receipt module where we manage official receipt for our orders. We can issue receipt with unique OR numbers and select payment methods like cash, COD, or GCash. It also features a print function to provide customers with a formal document for their purchase. And for comprehensive financial tracking, we have the funds and saving module. This track our total income, expenses, and savings. The visual charge for funds distribution and year-by-year comparisons allow us to see our net balance at a glance. Fish fund income. We also included a specialized tracking for fish fund income. Lastly, here is the reports, staff. Here's the all customers, rules, student, faculty, external, and the reservation of our customer, paid or rejected, status, pending, approved, claim, rejected. the services, orders, and the landing page. That's all. Thank you, everyone.